So in today's video, let's quickly see how to use Pinterest for your business. So in this channel, I'm discussing about how to drive organic traffic and sales to your business, which I'm doing for my businesses for about 2-3 years. So stay tuned. I hope you have already created the account, which is has very easy steps. You can just simply put your email and verify that and make the Pinterest account. So I hope you did that. And so here we are in the Pinterest dashboard. This is what we call the profile, and here's where we if we post something, it shows for us. I hope you know that. And that's the 1.8k monthly views, means the views we get for posts on monthly basis. And we can of course put the links and connect the Instagram. And the other thing about Pinterest is we can create boards. So here are my boards: email marketing, sales, etc, etc. So when we use Pinterest for businesses, we have to remember that we have to use the business account. Of course, we can use the personal account, but the analytics won't be shown in the personal account. So if you are using Pinterest for businesses, the analytics is a major point. So in order to get what you call let's see, this post got about 1.8k views. So we can think that this method goes well. So we can continue that and we can duplicate that. So you have to stick with the what you call not the personal one, but the business Pinterest account. So the major thing is, when it comes to Pinterest, most of the audience is from United States, at least up to now. I guess Pinterest isn't much saturated when it comes to organic sales. So I'm using it for years now for my other businesses as well. This is just a account which I created recently, and I didn't even post that much. And it's still got about 1.8k monthly views, which is pretty awesome in my opinion. So let's see how to create a pin real quick. Just get the plus icon, and we can of course create a collage or a board. And then we have to choose the pin option. Then let's see a video. Of course you can put photos as well. In this case I'll choose a video, so let's choose it. So here's the video. Actually this is just a screen recording of the video, and which I download from Instagram of course. And we can edit those and draw stickers, whatever we want. For the sake of the video, as this want to be quick, I'll hit next. And we can edit the thumbnail like that, simple like that. And the major thing is, when creating a pin, the title, which is the gem of the for the SEO of the pin. So we have to keep in mind that the title is reaching keywords which we want. In my case, if this is motivational video, we have to research the keywords which are good for the motivation and stuff. So there it's a tool, trends.pinterest. You can find keywords from there. Also, if you need a video about that, just let me know in the comments. I will make a video. And the title, of course you can put hashtags, but in my opinion hashtags won't affect much. And we can put a link and choose a board or just create a board and tag topics. I recommend you to tag about 5 topics for a video, and of course we can tag products for the new products. If you are an e-commerce store or a business which sells physical products or of course services, then you can simply tag product and hit user link and add the product link, like your URL. But actually we have to add the exact product URL. And the other thing which I love about Pinterest is we can schedule the pins. So normally I about schedule about 7 pins per week, so it will reduce the effort for my Pinterest account. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, just let me know. If you got any value from this video, just like the video. And when it comes to Pinterest sales and organic traffic, like I said before, we have to be consistent. So good luck, guys. See you again in the next video.